I feel great today.
I feel great today.
I am so excited.
I am so excited.
I am very shy.
I am very shy.
I am a little scared.
I am a little scared.
I am not feeling well.
I am not feeling well.
I want to rest.
I want to rest.
I am feeling better now.
I am feeling better now.
I love my smile.
I love my smile.
I can take care of myself.
I can take care of myself.
I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
I like to help others.
I like to help others.
I want to be strong.
I want to be strong.
I am learning every day.
I am learning every day.
I feel calm now.
I feel calm now.
I am doing my best.
I am doing my best.
I know I can do it.
I know I can do it.
I am proud of myself.
I am proud of myself.
I am special.
I am special.
I am growing.
I am growing.
I watch TV with Mom.
I watch TV with Mom.
I bake cookies with Dad.
I bake cookies with Dad.
I play board games with my family.
I play board games with my family.
I water the plants at home.
I water the plants at home.
I help my mom cook.
I help my mom cook.
I clean up my toys.
I clean up my toys.
I take care of my pet.
I take care of my pet.
I help my little brother.
I help my little brother.
I listen to Grandma's stories.
I listen to Grandma's stories.
I eat fruit with my sister.
I eat fruit with my sister.
I sit near my grandpa.
I sit near my grandpa.
I clean my shoes.
I clean my shoes.
I help fold laundry.
I help fold laundry.
I open the door for Mom.
I open the door for Mom.
I help Mom carry bags.
I help Mom carry bags.
I do my chores.
I do my chores.
I keep my books in place.
I keep my books in place.
I write notes for my family.
I write notes for my family.
I draw pictures for home.
I draw pictures for home.
I sing songs with my family.
I sing songs with my family.
I learned something new today.
I learned something new today.
I draw pictures in art class. I draw pictures in art class. I sit with my best friend.
I sit with my best friend.
I raise my hand to speak.
I raise my hand to speak.
I count numbers in class.
I count numbers in class.
I like science class.
I like science class.
I play in the schoolyard.
I play in the schoolyard.
I carry my water bottle.
I carry my water bottle.
I open my lunchbox.
I open my lunchbox.
I say hello to my teacher.
I say hello to my teacher.
I write neatly.
I write neatly.
I enjoy group work.
I enjoy group work.
I spell words clearly.
I spell words clearly.
I stand in line.
I stand in line asterisk.
I wait for the bell.
I wait for the bell.
I join the school assembly.
I join the school assembly.
I speak clearly in class.
I speak clearly in class.
I learn new words.
I learn new words.
I write on the board.
I write on the board.
I color inside the lines.
I color inside the lines.
I like your hair.
I like your hair.
You look pretty today.
You look pretty today.
Let's play a game.
Let's play a game.
Do you like my shoes?
Do you like my shoes?
Let's share our snacks.
Let's share our snacks.
I missed you today.
I missed you today.
Do you want to draw?
Do you want to draw?
Let's read a book.
Let's read a book.
I brought a new toy.
I brought a new toy asterisk.
Want to play tag?
Want to play tag?
That's so funny.
That's so funny.
You are my bestie.
You are my bestie.
Let's build a tower.
Let's build a tower.
That was a good game.
That was a good game.
Can I borrow your pencil? Can I borrow your pencil? Let's sing together.
Let's sing together.
Thanks for helping me.
Thanks for helping me.
I am brushing my teeth.
I am brushing my teeth.
I am tying my hair.
I am tying my hair.
I packed my lunch.
I packed my lunch.
I zipped my backpack.
I zipped my backpack.
I am jumping rope.
I am jumping rope.
I am making paper boats.
I am making paper boats.
I am climbing stairs.
I am climbing stairs.
I am drawing stars.
I am drawing stars.
I am counting my toys.
I am counting my toys.
I am stacking blocks.
I am stacking blocks.
I am dancing around.
I am dancing around.
I am watering flowers.
I am watering flowers.
I am cleaning my desk.
I am cleaning my desk. I am putting on socks. I am putting on socks.
I am choosing my dress.
I am choosing my dress.